Hey guys, can you paint a vinyl fence? It has a shiny surface, it's plastic. Does vinyl holds the paint? Does paint sticks to vinyl? I have all these questions that I want to find out today. I have my vinyl fence plank here and I want to test two methods, with and without a primer. First, I'm going to prime the surface with Kilz primer made specifically for hard to bond surfaces. I had a very good results with this when I painted my vinyl window. I will leave a link right above for that video if you are interested. Don't forget to give a deep clean to your fence before you start any painting job. That's a crucial step not to be skipped. I only apply the primer on top half of the vinyl fence panel using a sponge roller. Here you can see the texture this primer adds on the surface. This rough texture will help paint to stick easily. I'm using this exterior acrylic paint and primer in one. It's a vinyl safe paint. You must use a vinyl safe paint which can expand and contract. First, I'm painting over the primed area and it paints really nicely. Surface accepts the paint easily. It doesn't feel like I'm painting on a glossy surface. In real life, I would use either a roller or a sprayer to paint a fence, which I would get a better results than a brush. Right now, I'm leaving brush strokes. I didn't have extra rollers handy, that's why I'm using a brush today. This is just the first coat and it looks pretty good already. Now I'm going to apply the paint to the bottom half of the vinyl plank which was not primed. Paint is not sticking as easily as it did with the primed area. Brush is pulling the paint away. I'm applying a thicker coat. It's better, but it doesn't look as good as the primed surface. I'm surprised to see that paint sticks on bare vinyl without a primer. That's probably because I'm using paint and primer in one type of paint. Now I wanna test Olympic Maximum Stain and Sealant for fences and decks to see how this would look and paint on vinyl. By the way, when you paint your vinyl siding, they say not to use darker color, which would cause a warping. But I'm not sure if that applies to a vinyl fence since the material is different and thicker, but something to keep in mind. This painted really smoothly, there were no brush strokes left behind. Now the unprimed section. And again, to my surprise, it's painting pretty well. Let's see the results in the sunlight. After one coat. Dark colors are always hard to get a good results after a coat. This looks great. This paint is specifically for outdoor decks and fences. You can see the difference here clearly. Without a primer doesn't look so good, but just the first coat, of course, maybe second coat will improve. And this one is still good. As good as the primed area. Now I'm applying the second coat. Please don't forget to hit the like button if you get any value out of this video. That helps me to reach out to more people. After the second coat. Either primed or not, vinyl holds the paint, but you should always use vinyl safe paint. I would say priming before painting would make it more durable, but I cannot test it for durability. I would only know that in time. But I can test them with high water pressure to see if they run off with heavy water. Here we go. No damage to any of them, no peeling, no runoff. Now I know I can paint vinyl fence. I would personally prime it first just to be on the safe side. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.